Welcome to Land House. I'm expecting this week to be kind of crazy. We've got a lot going on. A wedding, baby gender reveal, and we've got wedding anniversary. So Ashley told me even this morning, neither of us will probably get much done. So I'm starting the vlog a little earlier than usual. I've mentioned a few times in the past month that I'd like to have all of this eventually cleaned up so that I could plant some grass and maybe even mow it. And as you can see, it's pretty well gone right now, and it drops off quick over here. So I'm just gonna get in here and cut some stuff down and see what I can do with it. It may be that I could like have my neighbor level it out some up here on the top, so I could just cut a little strip. But anyway, let's go ahead and get some work done today. I have a couple different types of weed eater heads now, and I think for this job the Triclone is going to be the one that's going to work out the best. It's got these metal blades that swing out and they take out some big stuff pretty quick, so that's what I'm going to try first here. Over the years I have cleared out a few places on the property, and down here I have noticed is one of the most likely to have wasps, the kind that goes in the ground and makes a nest. So I'm gonna wear this shirt. Probably won't do any good, but maybe it'll help. Either that or it'll allow more of them to get on me before I notice. Not exactly sure how, but I escaped all of the wasps that may have been in here. So scooted down over there a bit and then worked all in through here, past that stump over there, and mostly just cut down the tall grass and the thorn bushes. So it's actually not going to need a whole lot of land forming. Maybe where that pile is over there, just kind of pull it down, but I think I'll be able to work this pretty good for some grass with just some minimal dirt pushing. But anyway, so I made it over here and stopped for now. I'm gonna try and pull the trailer around, cut all these little things out, and just keep cleaning this place up. And I'll do all this work without you because I've been doing this for weeks now, just cleaning up stuff. But anyway, I'll show you what it looks like in just a bit. Okay, Ashley's wanting me back inside with Emma, so I've got this cleaned out with most of the big stuff, and I've got it over here. And when I say big stuff, I mean bigger than weed eater stuff, like that and that. The big trees I'm going to keep in here. I might cut down that locust since it's kind of small. And this one actually looks like it's got some pretty serious issues in here, but we'll see. There's a couple little stumps in there that my neighbor can probably push over, but anyway, for today that's going to be good enough. Emma and I have spent most of the day at my parents' house just hanging out. She's looking for bugs right now. I have some exciting news. Well, the first one is that this came in. It's one of 2 loads of my Amazon product. I'm really excited about that. And the second product that I'm going to put on Amazon is in this bag here. I'll show you that maybe a little later on in this video, or maybe sometime at a later date. But big stuff is happening here at Land House. Here is a project I've been working on for a long time. Hopefully I'll be able to get to that sometime soon, but this is hickory maybe? I forget. Okay, made it back home. So here is my second product that I'm fine-tuning and getting samples of. It is a pair of Land House aluminum trekking poles. So working out handle design now, and getting the cork and the foam, and I got the logo going on there. I think it looks pretty good. It's got both the mud and the snow cups there, as well as the rubber tip, and it's got the metal tip inside of that. So that's what I'm working on currently. So I'm going to have both the sleeping pad, which you've seen before. Hopefully that'll be available on Amazon here in the next week. Would be nice. And then these probably after Christmas, to be honest with you, because I still have some negotiating to do before I'm finished. But anyway, I am very excited to be starting this new business. Ram pumps have done amazing over the past 5 years, and YouTube, for some reason, September 1st, which was 30 days ago, my YouTube just plummeted. I mean, like half the views, half the earnings, I don't know what, and half the subscribers, to be honest. So I sent an email to YouTube, and they're like, everything is fine, don't worry, it's just normal, normal channel. So then, a couple of days later, when it kept going down even further, I did a text, or a chat with one of their guys, and he said they are doing monetization checks on some of the videos to make sure that everything is family friendly, basically. Because I've actually gotten emails saying, congratulations, such and such video is acceptable for all ads. So apparently right now they are checking videos, and while doing so, dropping out your money and views, which seems kind of ridiculous. But anyway, so I think that I'm starting the Amazon business in just the right time, because YouTube is falling apart. I've spoken with 2 other YouTubers, and they've had the same thing happen to them. So hopefully YouTube's not totally dying out, but just having a hiccup. But anyway, I'm gonna move all these boxes inside, and I guess I think this I actually cut, gosh, 3-4 years ago, and I put wood glue on the end, and that kept it from cracking, which was, there's like 2 little cracks in there, but still plenty of usable wood. So anyway, I'm looking forward to continuing that project that I started. Okay, well, I just walked around the property and gave kind of a look around, because I don't have much time to make a real video this week. I was going to do more on the ladder, but I only have like a couple more hours, and need to make some more French cleat stuff, like for the Japanese saw, and anyway, just a whole bunch of stuff. Ooh, look at this. I got some of these to set off for you for next week, so you'll know whether we're having a boy or girl for our next kid. It's gonna be really exciting. So we go tomorrow. It's Ashley and I have our anniversary, so we're gonna drop Emma off with Mimi, and then we're gonna go have a little lunch and just spend some time in town, and then go to our 3-hour-long baby appointment. But we'll find out what the gender is tomorrow, and we're gonna have a reveal on Thursday. So I'm either going to include that in next week's vlog, or give you a dedicated video to that. Just have to see. But I think since I already filmed a video for tomorrow, what I'm going to do is go down here and work some more cleaning off the trees and branches and stuff. I figured if I've got about 2 hours, I can get a good bit of work done. So let's head down there and do that. Over the past few months, Ashley and Emma and I have been going to a small local church And tonight we're having a little get-together pizza party because I have special gluten-free needs. I stopped by the store and picked up one of these, but it should be fun. I might get a clip in here so you can see it.
Which one is it? This one?
Good morning. So it was nice getting to go to the small group last night. Neither Ashley or I are very good with meeting up with friends, especially a large group of friends. We've always just been kind of do our own thing kind of people. But it was fun. Well, today is the wedding anniversary of Ashley and I. 3 years. It's been a fun roller coaster ride of happy and sad and angry and all those typical things you would have in a marriage. But we're excited to celebrate 3 years today. We're gonna go to the baby appointment as well, which should be about 3 hours long, we're expecting at least. They have a very strict no filming policy. Last time I took the GoPro in with Emma and like held it up real carefully to get just a little footage, but I don't think I'm gonna do that today. I'm not gonna bring the camera. So I may, yeah, I'm just gonna leave the camera at home today. Ashley and I can enjoy our time together. We're gonna take Emma over to Mimi's house so she can spend the day and then pick her up late this evening. So we'll have the full day to ourselves without children. So it should be fun. But we'll know by this afternoon what the baby gender is gonna be. And I think tomorrow what I'm going to do is film a special video for you during our reveal party. And that way you'll get to see with the rest of us the smoke bomb that goes off and tells us all the good news. So that should be exciting. Let's see, also Emma and I went to a local gym here in the town that's closer to us, and I found out what the pricing was of that gym. Since Emma was born, I've been going to the gym maybe once a week, and it's starting to take its toll on me. So I thought if I go to this gym here in town, it's 20 minutes closer one way, 24/7 access, and $120 cheaper a year. So everything was just pointing to this new gym. That being said, if I get Emma in bed at like 8:30, I can go to the gym for an hour. So I'm expecting to have some pretty good gains, or at least get back to where I was before. Well, hope you've enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you again in the next one. All right, bye.